Hi there, this is Team FaunaFinder and I'm Kartavya Singh.
And my name is Shivam Karangate.
And today we'll be taking you down the drive on how we created FaunaFinder, what it does for its users, and how we did it. So basically, once our project starts, we open up in the index.html, where we use Google Cloud API to either scan an uploaded image and classify it as the animal and the species to look over it, and then finally give out results on it, or we can input a text to find the same animal and give a random species from that animal. And at the same time, we also have a feature to look for a random animal and learn about it more.
So when you run our code or our web application, this is where it takes you. So this is our simple user interface which we made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And as my teammate Kartavya explained, so there are three options. You can either upload an image, you can either type the name of an animal that you have to find or you want to find, or you can also learn about any random animal from our database. So for example, if you search a red panda, for example, if you search that and you process text, it should give you a picture of a red panda, its information. Yep, as you can see, it gives you its information, its picture, its scientific classification, its locations where it's found, its similar species, and its characteristics as well. Now, as Kartavya is going to show you next, if suppose you want to learn about a random animal as well, you can see it generated something called an albatross with the same thing, with characteristics, its information, its scientific classification, its locations, and a similar species as well. And the last thing as well, if you want to upload an image, so we have a whale right there. It's just a default image we want to show you. So if you upload an image, this works with any image, by the way, as well. So if you upload the image, it shows again, and this time it gives you an estimation what our system thinks, how close it is. So we did this using Google Cloud Vision API, and it gives you an estimate of how close we think the animal, what you have put through our image, what it is. So in this case, it says it's a blue whale with an 80% estimation, which is pretty close to the real thing, and it is a blue whale with all the simple things. So if Kartavya would go back to our code just to show one last time. So
all right.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
So we used Wikipedia API, API Ninja's Animal API, and also GBIF API to find the various information and data regarding these animals, and also its similar species. And that is basically a summary of how we did our project and what it does for its users. And its potential use is going to be in the National Geography, where tourists from all around the world could take pictures of animals and upload it on our program and find what animal it is and find all the fascinating details about it as well. Thank you. That is it for our team, and hope you enjoyed it.
Oh, before we finish the video, we forgot to show you one thing of our web application. Forgot to show you about our error system. If Kartavya would show that again. So this is a quick thing. Suppose if you type anything random and if you process the text, it will show you the web page and it will also show the reason why. So as you saw, my teammate didn't really type anything. So that's why it said animal not found. And that's pretty much it actually.
Yep, that is it for our project. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed.